Hello everyone, today we'll discuss how lifting your legs has an impact on your body. Please watch this video all the way through, I beg you. Additionally, I want to point out that 92% of our viewers watch our channel without subscribing. I kindly request that viewers who enjoy the content on the channel but are not subscribers subscribe and press the bell. Gray out the red subscribe button. Thank you and have a good time viewing. Leg lifts are an easy workout that can assist with a variety of health issues. Yogis frequently employ it in their routine. Exercise is frequently not given much weight by individuals, despite the fact that they may shape and tone your physique. It also serves as a means of illness prevention. Only athletes place a high priority on getting enough exercise. For people who desire to lose extra weight, regular exercise is helpful. If there are no such issues, performing certain workouts will enough to preserve health. Lifting your legs up is one of the best strategies. You don't need specialized attire or sports gear to accomplish it. A wall is all that is required. You will feel better physically and emotionally if you perform this workout each day. Such a straightforward workout may be done both in the morning and at night. You can get rid of weariness and leg discomfort before night, making you more ready for motor activity in the morning. Your legs should be raised at a 90-degree angle when you lay on your back to do this exercise properly. Do not stoop to kneeling position. The floor or a bed should be where your head and body are resting. You should have level, untensed shoulders. Put your hands where your seams are. Put a roller beneath your neck or lower back to reduce stress. In this stance, you need to feel at ease and at ease with yourself. Breathe evenly and consciously. The tense muscles will start to relax. Depending on how it makes you feel, stay in this posture for up to 20 minutes. Bend your knees and take a few long, slow breaths and exhales to go back to the beginning position. Then, without making any abrupt movements, get to your feet and go about your daily business. If you perform this technique before going to bed, attempt to fall asleep rather than getting out of bed. Leg lifts offer 13 advantages. The restoration of gut motility comes initially. The gastrointestinal tract's motility is enhanced by this posture. These organs now have increased blood flow, which helps them work more effectively. Food is broken down more thoroughly and swiftly. All beneficial nutrients are absorbed in the intestines, where feces are also produced. This aids in eliminating constipation issues. There is no longer a need for laxatives. The appetite increases, and the stools soften and become regular. Eliminating the edema syndrome is the second. Leg lifts can assist to lessen edema. No matter what the cause, it doesn't matter. The result of gravity is an outflow of extra fluid and a redistribution of that fluid among tissues. Edema can have a variety of reasons: disease of the kidneys or the cardiovascular system, dilated veins, taking certain medicines, unhealthy weight, and an active lifestyle. Legs down in a static position, particularly with lymphatic system diseases and leg-to-leg posture. According to medical professionals, elevating the legs up rids the legs of edema and enhances blood flow. The swelling of the legs at the end of the day is a regular exception to the rule. Therefore, holding this position for a few minutes is all that is necessary to make the exhaustion go away. The third is to lighten the weight in your legs. People who are on their feet all the time need to do this workout. After a long day at work, raising your legs for 20 minutes might help you release tension and edema. Standing puts the most strain on the legs. Thus, by shifting their position, you can eliminate these problems. The restoration of normal blood flow is the fourth. The pressure on the heart is reduced by the expulsion of extra fluid when standing upright. This organ filters a lot of blood through itself each day. The heart has been able to perform its job properly for many years. However, there are other variables that make working challenging. These include unhealthy behaviors, being overweight, smoking, and drinking. Lengthy aesthetic effort combined with poor heredity for heart disease. You may increase the oxygenation of all body tissues and cells by performing leg lifts on a regular basis. For those with high blood pressure or vascular disease, this is helpful. Additionally, if swelling occurs closer to nighttime, the fifth step is the release of anxiety. When performing this exercise, you take deep breaths and unwind. You personally experience your legs become lighter and less painful. Naturally, physical health helps maintain mental calm. Such regular exercise aids in reducing stress and preserving your inner peace. Sixth, it eases back discomfort. Many people of all ages are bothered by this ailment. It occurs for a variety of causes. Osteochondrosis, inflammatory joint disease, and herniated spine curvature are the most prevalent. A person's regular activities might be severely limited by back discomfort. Visit a doctor if the symptom is severe. Lifting your legs up will assist in resolving the issue if you are experiencing constant pain and are aware of the potential causes. You might place a roller beneath the lower back to make performing this exercise easier. As a result, the strain on the bones will be lessened. Seventh, it assists in reducing stress. As we've already said, this posture normalizes how the nervous system functions. It promotes peacefulness and better sleep. You can manage stress and deal with substantial stress more easily. In today's world, everyone needs a chance to unwind. Lifting your legs up is the most convenient strategy at home. The parasympathetic nervous system is activated in this posture. All of the organs functioning is slowed down, giving them time to rest. You also eliminate discomfort and swelling, which are detrimental to your quality of life and emotional well-being. Eighth, it makes sleep better. Meditation is extremely similar to raising your legs. When you work out, you feel completely at ease and relaxed. You may normalize sleep, make it stronger, and make it simpler to fall asleep by maintaining calm and deep breathing. A healthy blood supply allows organs to function more effectively. The emotional background is normalized by the absence of pain and swelling. And last, it lessens menstruation discomfort. Not everyone is aware that this activity aids in relieving women's vital days of extreme discomfort. It encourages muscular relaxation and tone reduction, which eliminates spasm and unpleasant feeling. Leg lifts can occasionally take the place of taking medication, allowing you to be free of this condition. Exercise is not advised during a menstrual cycle. Since there are no vigorous movements required for this workout, you should not be hesitant to practice it. You'll be astonished by how well this stance helps to get rid of the uncomfortable feeling. The metabolic processes are started with the ninth one. The life cycle of every cell is prolonged in this posture by a healthy blood supply to the organs and tissues. This enhances tissue regeneration and injury healing. These exercises are very beneficial for patients who have undergone varicose vein surgery. Naturally, you should speak with your doctor first. By include limb swings and extensions in the workout, it is possible to strengthen the muscles in the legs. This lightens the burden on the muscles and enhances their performance. Stretches the hamstrings in the 11th. Because it extends the lower back and eases discomfort, this impact is beneficial for the lower back. The hamstrings are stretched more as you go closer to the wall. Just be careful not to overdo it since you might rip them and cause excruciating agony. Improves blood flow to the pelvic organs in the 12th. The microcirculation in the pelvic region is enhanced when the legs are raised. This encourages blood flow to the nearby muscles and organs. As a consequence, the corset of muscles is relaxed and their feeling is gone. It is preferable to place a roller beneath the lower back for the best results. The 13th technique is for avoiding hemorrhoids. These illnesses develop as a result of blood clotting in hemorrhoidal veins. Lifting weights or spending a lot of time seem to contribute to this. The excellent preventative measure for this problem is to lift your legs. This lessens venous stasis and enhances blood flow to the organs. This activity will help lessen the symptoms if you currently have the condition. It is beneficial to perform an upward raise when stretching your hamstrings after engaging in physical activity. This enhances the oxygen saturation of the tissue and helps the legs recover quickly. Personal experience is the greatest proof there is. You won't have to wait long for the results if you do this workout on yourself. Not the fact that after the first time, you'll see a lot of modifications. You might have to do it more frequently. If you do not have any of the aforementioned conditions, this exercise will help you relax your legs after a long day and ease your transition to sleep. If someone needs such assistance, especially tell your close friends about leg lifts. It's not always possible to find time to work out, swim, or run, but you can do this. It won't use a lot of your time or energy. You may go for a short stroll in the evening before going to bed in only 20 minutes. It is quite straightforward to carry out. No further tools or helpers are required. You can read a book, watch TV, or listen to your favorite music at this time if resting on your back is making you bored. A vitamin like this will benefit the nerve system and emotional world. Some new mothers struggle to find a time to exercise due to their infants. For those folks, this method is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to place a roller beneath the neck or lower back for ease. Palms facing up or down. Place your hands along your torso. Make sure your breathing is steady and deep. Consult your doctor before doing this activity if you have a medical condition. Avoid keeping your feet up for too long, as this can restrict blood flow to your feet. Keep in mind that up to 20 minutes is the ideal period of time. Please mention in the comments whether or not you enjoyed this exercise, as well as its results. Was it successful for you? Would you suggest it to your family? The video comes to an end there. Many fascinating films on the advantages and disadvantages of fruits and vegetables, as well as illnesses and treatments, may be found on the channel. Therefore, do remember to click the bell and subscribe to the channel. We would even appreciate it if you gave the video a moniker and shared it with your loved ones. Next to you.